Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all of that.
So you like 40 pounds?
Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say
About that 45 pounds.
everyone wrong, I'll stop to the top.
Let me go around, let me go.
I'ma stay loud, stay proud. Never running out, never heading south. I'm just running out. Find what I'm about. What I'm about. Have your phone loud. If you're raining now, I keep making sound. Go another round. I'm legend bound. Can't stop me now.
Really? Postcards.
So today, Ivan Tulsi is reporting from Dino Lab. Let me put on my stuff. My hand tired, it's cramping. This is so long to make boost. Oh my god.
Hey, fat fire.
Hey. Hey, what? Excuse me. Listen. He's there. He's there. He's there. Right? So we're going to make a little, how much boost you want? All. How much you get going up to? How much? All. This is the time we change stuff. We don't care. We just throw in fuel in our base.
Give me cool, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my feet out, yeah. I take shots, I take rocks, I make shots, I miss locks. I tell you get big box, you get yacht, you swing locks, and pop off a big shot.
He did not show what he doing now. So he just Googling how to raise the boost cut, and then we can try something again.
That's how we tune it now.
Yeah, you can do everything yourself. You just Google how to tune the car, you tune it, you know.
Hey, Google fix it.
It's 2022 in, you know, you just Google and tune.
Right.
I don't give up, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I want it, I'll make it, I promise.
Numbers going up, but
Che, is that a boost chicken? Alright. Alright. Mr. Siobhan, what are you doing there?
Fixing problems.
What problems is there, boy?
She's a squirter.
Oh, what's happening here? What was happening here?
It was squirting power steering fluid all over the people them dying.
Right, so that was one of the issues. So,
Yeah.
what about the dipstick flying out and beating everybody with oil?
We didn't get
What
to
is the
that
scene
one,
with that?
But we went to lab in a powder coat projects. TTI, I believe is the name of his business.
Right.
And he sort us out with some 10 fittings and he put in the engine cover in a color that runs still didn't see what it is yet.
Well, I didn't see the color they're going with, so hopefully it's something similar to this red.
Let me show you the color, yo. This is the color.
Oh gosh.
Let me,
Mr. Nappy is on the scene here.
let me show you the color. Hold on, viewers. Let me show you the color. That is the color there. A coral blue. If it was that color, it would be beautiful, but it's not.
Okay, so I'll have to censor that part if Siobhan's Aska come out in that video. So one of the issues with that dipstick popping, as all I could see, is this stock breeder.
That Ren
Just
was good.
I didn't.
No problem. Ren was like, no, that's good, guys.
I
read everything. I read nothing.
I didn't say it was good. It's just probably it slipped my mind, you know. So we had the stock one. This is what
We don't need that.
this is what is going in 10AN, as I was saying, and this also has to go 10AN as well. So this will hopefully prevent this from popping out and beating down people with oil, whether we be on the dyno or truck, right? So that is why we stopped tuning, and we hold up at the 676 or how much ever power we made. For certain people, we have the 2150 injectors there, FICs. That's what we're running. We ran on E70, tuned by TScomptune stock ECU. Little Nixon Nax radium pulsation damper, courtesy Anil, big up yourself. What else we have here? Yeah, we have that. That is the how much we have? 4-bar map sensor.
Yeah, it's an Omni 4-bar map sensor.
4-bar map sensor, Omni.
It's a GM temperature sensor.
GM air temperature sensor there. Well, as we say, the tuning by TScomp. Siobhan was trying to tune, but he didn't get through, so we had to call TScomp and them sort we out now. Google wasn't helping that much. How much we did reach on Google again? Like a 600?
Yeah, 600, but to go past that,
Yeah, you couldn't figure out the boost cut issue.
Yeah.
Right. So we had to call the guys to help us with that. Hey, and Siobhan, this drag prep, what was your favorite part about it? I seen these wastegates here.
Dan, never in life, ever again, ever am I going to work on anything related to this turbo manifold or wastegate.
So, watch how he bust up my manifold now, boy. Watch how he bust.
That was so before.
So my boy, don't want to touch this, as if any of you all know,
That DI titanium
This
strap is from the devil himself.
heat wrap gets on your skin in, under, all about where you want it to go, and that is real scratch. So even Ash was fighting up trying to help him, and pressure. Man take how much days? 3 days? I think it's about.
Take 6 hours. It take 1 hour for
Take about
to
3
the
days.
right side, and 6 hours to the right side wastegate. And thank
Right.
goodness Parasham come to rescue.
So again, we trying to prep for drag. Well, you see a picture of those bad boys on the car. We tried them on. We just needed to put on a little spacer. So yeah, it's not as easy as it looks. Little shipping this be popping up. I don't know about anybody else, but prepping a car for drags is a hell of a time. It's a lot of work. So thanks again to everyone who supported the journey. Khalil, big up yourself. Khalil had helped us with the fuel system. We had to change out the return because we was getting high pressures. That is the next thing. The base pressure on the fuel system was about 60 psi when we back off the regulator all. So he was backing off the regulator and this was just staying at 60. But luckily now, since we run the 6, we run the dash 6 back to the surge tank, and that solved the problem. I'd give all, yeah, look at the surge tank. But What's all going on the trunk here? McDonald's, all kind of thing. We little scrappy now, because we rush in. Yeah, Mr. Nafi is holding it on because your parachute is flip up. You put that trunk there. Right, boy, that trunk light, boy. That carbon trunk, God. Probably. So you have a set of mess in the trunk as usual because we're prepping. I go from here now by Siobhan. So there's the surge tank. Again, thanks again, Khalil. Well, initially, Navin had do the job. Thanks, Navin. But that was about 2 years ago. So look all the old lines there. So we just changed out a few lines inside here to steel braided. That helped a little bit with the scent. You don't really get a scent in the car as much. Over time, these hoses is kind of deteriorate. So, and yes, E85 compatible hoses. As you all know, we run an E85. TechNet, big up yourself. Thanks for the radiator cap, as when we came off the dyno and we was idling, we was getting some overflow. So that was suspected to be radiator cap. So a lot of shipping issues, a lot of things just keep popping up. Our next one, our next issue we was getting, this Innovate. This Innovate is a SCG1, is a boost controller and wideband and boost gauge in one, right? So has a lot of functions in this boost peak, but this keep playing the fool as well, right? So this was our problem. The wideband keep going to error 8 and all kind of nonsense. So Chunk Performance, thanks a lot for helping us and letting us your wideband. We had to hook that up external and to log the car as well for tuning purpose. So thanks to Powered by Chunk for his wideband. So yeah, here we have dipstick fix, right? We got this from Amir Shah, is it? Is Amir Shah? Yeah. Amir Shah, big up yourself. Thanks a lot for the link up. So the dipstick, we vented the dipstick as well. So we have the vent on the head covers, and well, this is to go on the dipstick, right? So hopefully all that helps. We'll be using Siobhan's spring as well. So we have some stuff going on. So on behalf of the team, well, thanks again for watching. And
don't forget to big up Nick and Sarah for fuel.
well, of course, tuna imports. We can't big up tuna imports. So you getting plugs, E85, everything. A lot of parts from tuna imports. Oil from Rishi as well. Rishi, big up yourself. You know. So again, thanks to all who supported. And the journey continues. You're gonna try something on the track. So, Che, how do I say it? Like, share, subscribe. Hey, eat your food now, boy. Mouth always full. Right, well, so all you take care, and we'll see you all here soon. Laters.